The diagram below shows a Bunsen burner heating a beaker of water on a beaker stand. The arrows represent the transfer of heat energy in the water. Which process is primarily responsible for the transfer of heat indicated by the arrows in the beaker of water? What we're looking at here is we have a heat source on the bottom down here with our flame or Bunsen burner. It's heating the bottom of the pan, and that heat is transferring upwards and then hits the top of the water, flows outward, and then back down. It's similar to the lava lamp. We have the light source on the bottom heating up the lava. It rises up to the top, hits the top, cools down once it hits the top because it's no longer next to the light source. And then when it cools down, it contracts and becomes more dense and sinks back down to the bottom. Same thing with boiling water down here. These are all called convection currents. Convection currents only occur in liquids and gases. They don't occur in solids because solids can't move. But it is a good way to transfer energy in liquids and gases, anything that can flow. And you start down here where you heat up the boiling water. As it heats up, it expands and rises up, hits the top of the water, and it's no longer next to the heat, so it starts to cool down and contracts. And then when it does, it becomes more dense and it sinks down and then continues this process. So convection would be the answer to this one.